Hey, hi, welcome back to another video. So this is my wash routine. This is how I wash my hair. Remember the black soap, the liquid black soap I made? Well, that's what's in the yellow applicator bottle. And yeah, it literally takes me no time to wash my hair. So that's why you've got the black kind of color in the bathtub, because the soap is black. Or brown. It's not black, it's brown. So yeah, in under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes. I did this in 2 minutes. Basically just focusing on my scalp. And yeah, just focusing on my scalp where there might be any dirt or anything lurking underneath it. And it seems like my lock is wanting to do this dropping effect more than sticking up effect. I think that's because my hair was a bit longer when I started compared to my first set of locks. My hair was shorter when I started that. So yeah, just in the shower, and the water is tepid, warmish. Thank you to the camera woman, who is my daughter. She's the one holding the camera. So it's really nice that she helped me to do this quick video. I wanted to really show you. So yeah, that's what I get when I wash my hair, all the pieces of hair dangling. And yeah, the black soap is quite, powerful in terms of cleansing my hair, so I don't use too much of it. I keep it to a minimum. And I'm flicking the water on her. She's complaining, I don't want to get wet. Anyway, thank you so much for joining. I hope this inspires you to know that when you're freeforming, you really don't need a major, massive wash routine. So yeah, bye.